Alright, I'm still fucking doing all this cable management and shit. It's the Tower 900 case. I'm telling you, bro, 6 racks. $6,000. I still got a whole bunch of more shit that I need to put on. I got like 12 fans. There's the GPU. There's the cables that I told you they're bad. It's a 6-pin and an 8-pin. It's not working. It'll plug in and the fans will spin, but I won't get no picture. My cooling block, my CPU. It's a Ryzen 9 5950X. Fucking damn near $1,000 processor. I got a pump that goes to my CPU. I'm gonna put the second pump right there to my GPU. It's huge.